In this video, I'm going to create this ebook in just 2 minutes directly from this blog post, how to make an ebook in 5 steps without breaking a sweat. So all I need to do is copy the website address or URL and then go into Designer and create a new project. Type in my project name, for example, My Amazing Ebook, and then just paste that address or URL directly into that box and click import. Then I can choose any template from over hundreds of different dual column, single column templates and click on next. I can edit anything within this template just by typing in the text, typing in the author name. I can change any font or choose any type of layout I like. I can even change the colors of any font or background or boxes, just like any sort of image editor. What I'm going to do now is just change the headers and the footers just to give them a background color to make them stand out a bit and make it look more like a book. And any images I come across, I can edit, I can add more images, and I can also customize any image that's preloaded using a built-in photo editor. So once I'm done with that, then I can add in another article directly from another blog post, simply again by copying the URL and pasting it in. So I can create an ebook from a whole load of different articles from as many websites as I like. Now, if you don't like the cover page, you can just change it and just type in a keyword into our image search facility and just choose any image that closely matches the theme of your book. And that image is automatically copied in, and all you need to do is just customize any of the header elements and you're pretty much done. So if you're happy with that, then just click on publish and publish that direct to a PDF. And that's how to create an ebook using Designer.